Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new podcast series where we will be taking a deeper dive into subrogation trends and hot topics within the insurance industry. My name is Nicole Simpson, Marketing Manager at Veritas, and today I'm joined with David Pummer, the Vice President of Operations at Avalon Subrogation Partners. David, thank you so much for taking the time to sit down with me today and go over how modern technology is helping improve not only first notice of loss recovery, but also closed file review process recovery.
Thanks for having me, Nicole. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to the discussion and glad to spread helpful information about subrogation process and policies wherever we can.
I understand that the first 24 hours of any claim is the most crucial. Could you elaborate on why that is for our audience?
Yeah, anytime we receive a first notice of loss, it's critical to see what the loss description is and, evaluate what type of claim you're working with. You're thinking about things of like the information you need to determine subrogation potential. This is an opportunity to bring money back to your client for this accident and loss. So you have to properly evaluate your next steps to preserve that potential.
Very interesting, David. Walking through the subrogation process with me a little bit further, how is potential recovery found, and how can you account for any missed claims through your manual processing?
And that's a great question. A manual review of files is key. Depending on real-time information and communication that you have, few opportunities are missed in that regard. Where analytical software comes into play is on files that were closed to subrogation. However, new information has come in or there's something that's changed in the fact pattern. This will bring the claim back to your attention for another review. This is where Avalon's Subro AI program is a huge asset to us.
And what are some of the key benefits that we are starting to see throughout this new data modeling process as it becomes more and more advanced within the industry?
While a manual review gets us so far, we're all human, right? The development of Subro AI and Caliburn allows Avalon a series of checks and balances based on predetermined criteria to see a file multiple times if any of these criteria are met after the initial review. These criteria can be based on specific keywords or phrases and will mine all data from a file, not just subrogation note types. This will really help us define potential even with the slightest bit of information change in the file.
Now, I know we have our own in-house data modeling software. How difficult was that to create? And realistically, how accurate can software like this truly be?
Nicole, this was a fascinating process. Subrogation or Subro AI and Caliburn are both in-house developed systems. We've worked diligently to mine and process information to ensure minimal false positives, so Avalon's not spending a lot of time on files that truly do not have subrogation potential. Currently, we're using these programs for work comp and auto. However, the systems can be programmed for most lines of business. And also what's great about the program is that any new types of claims or incidents or fact patterns that we see, that can be integrated into the system as well in real time to really help us evolve as we go through the claims processes.
I'm sure. Well, David, thank you so much for the time today. I know this is going to be a very interesting discussion for our listeners. We hope you found today's topic useful when you're looking through your own business goals and strategies. Feel free to look through our website at www.avalonsubro.com, where you can find all of our case studies and details on the software we discussed today.